Hi everyone. So this week I wanted to talk to you about nutrition because we've had a lot of questions specifically around what to eat, and we do provide you with some recipes and we try and give guidance, and it's something that we're working on and will continue working on. However, I know that I'm the kind of person that likes having a morning, a dinner, a lunch, smoothie. I like having the desserts. I like having everything planned out for me in a really easy way. I don't really like cooking. That is so authentic and genuine. I don't like spending hours in the kitchen. I don't like cleaning up after being in the kitchen. And I really hate searching online, trying to find what to eat. There's so much contradictory advice, and trying to piece together, for example, for the gut detox, a month's worth of food, I find so stressful and so overwhelming that I just reach for the Pringles or something. So I want to introduce you to Deliciously Ella. It's a cookbook that I bought years ago. This is her first cookbook. Sticky notes, and I love it. And I love all the recipes. They're really, really simple. They're easy to do. It's 100% plant-based, gluten-free, dairy-free, I believe sugar-free as well. No chemicals, no additives, nothing's processed in there. It's so healthy. You can buy it on Amazon US and Amazon Australia as well. She's got an app as well, which is really cool. I believe it is for Android and for iPhone. And I wanted to just kind of show you the desserts, because with nutrition, it's not about depriving yourself, is it? It's just about swapping some ingredients around. Almond and chia energy bites. It's so good. Almonds, medjool dates, raw cacao powder, almond butter, coconut oil, and chia seeds, something like that. Raw brownies, these are my favourite. And like I said, I can't cook, and I can make everything in here, and it's so good. They've got really nice like lunches as well. Roasted squash, olive, avocado, and rocket salad. It's got breakfast, lunch, dinner, smoothies, and loads of desserts as well. So I would really highly recommend getting this cookbook. She's got loads more as well, but this really did change my eating habits, and all the foods are really, really good for your gut. It's all plant-based. It's just so good. So let me know if you use her recipes already, or if you do buy it and then try it out. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel just for little hints, tips, hacks, and things to help you on your journey.